Egor local government CMO Eghe Ogbemudia don inaugurate task force for environmental matter to ensure cleanliness for Egor local government. The inauguration shele on Wednesday 15th November 2023. Honorable Eghe tok say the task force go help to enforce Operation Clean Egor on the people of Egor and say the Operation Clean Egor don come to stay and say the only way to fit make am work na to get task force wey go dey on ground to see say cleaning dey effective. She constantly talk say any waste manager wey no dey carry dirty from people house, shop, church or any place say they go change am as the people no fit dey pay for something wey they no dey see the result, and talk say the task force must work with the environmental department for Egor.
This job is about moving around. No, you walk a lot. You have to walk from house to house. So I don't know how you are going to do it, but for the few people I've seen here who are member of my road makers, I know they are strong. They can do it. So I wish you all the best. We have inaugurated Operation Clean Egor. And Operation Clean Egor, for us, or for it to be very, very effective, we need to set up a task force. Because there are a lot of illegal dumping of refuse everywhere in the local government. The reason why the waste managers are here, the waste managers, when it's time for you to start working in different zones, the waste managers are to produce 2 persons that will join you to show you areas in the zones. And the waste managers are very, very familiar with the flash points. You're going to be working with the waste managers, coordinators, and the environmental department in the council. You cannot go out by yourself to enforce. You are not allowed to go out by yourself to enforce. The environmental health officers must join you. Then the vigilantes must join you as well. Your badge of Egor local, maybe written Egor local government task force, that gives you the right, or it does not give you the right to molest people. You have to be very, very friendly. You have to be very, very accommodating. And you have to be patient. Patience is the key to this kind of task force. Because when you are not patient and you want to say because I'm a member of a task force, the day you do anything or molest anybody in the street of a local government, that very day you will drop from the task force. There are a lot of places that you're going to be working on, like the illegal dumping of refuse, business premises that are not paying taxes, homes that are owing tax, they are owing waste managers. We are all working together with the waste manager. So that's the reason why the waste manager are going to come with two persons from their zone to join you. And any waste manager that you have worked with in their zone and people are complying, and they are not complying themselves, because there's a lot of complaint that waste managers, they pay but they don't come to pick up their refuse. That waste manager will be disengaged from that zone. We will look for somebody else that will be able to do it, because we, the local government, have the right to employ and disengage whoever is working with us. And I want to ask you, this task force you're joining, are you aware that there's no salary? Huh? Are you aware? Are you aware that there's no salary?
After the inauguration, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia talk say,
today we decided to inaugurate the task force on environment. You know, as we are all aware, Operation Clean Egor is here to stay. And the only way we can make it effective is to have a task force who will be going around to make sure that what we are doing right now in Egor local government, cleaning Egor local government, is effective. So this task force are to go around the local government, house to house, business premises, shops, marketplaces, to make sure that people are complying. And for those people from street to street, house to house, that are not paying their waste managers, I'm pleading with them to please start paying their waste managers so that their waste managers will be able to do an effective job by cleaning their environment. And secondly, we are using this opportunity to tell our people of Egor local government, if you have a waste manager that you are paying and is not coming to pick your waste, please contact us so that we can contact those waste managers to make sure that they do the right thing. And for those, our families, our brothers and sisters, our fathers, our mothers, landlords and landladies, community heads, I'm begging you people to please join me to keep Egor clean and green. And the only way you can do that is to do the right thing. Don't throw your waste into our drainages. Pack your waste. Recycle your waste. Please, I beg you in the name of God. So that's why we are here today to inaugurate the task force on environment Egor local government.
Committee Chairman Environmental Egor local government Calvin Igodaro Egwakun, Councillor Ward 9 Contact say make everybody try to keep Egor clean.
I'm very glad today to see that the Environmental Task Force Committee has been inaugurated. The reason for this is to ensure that Egor is clean. The indiscriminate dumping of refuse is abolished from Egor Local Government Council. As the Chairman Committee on Environment, I want to urge the Chairman of the committee and its members to ensure that the needful is done, to ensure that Egor is clean again. Trying to disabuse the mind of the people on indiscriminate dumping of refuse in our drainages, gutters, and the roadside. I believe by God's grace, with this committee set up today, Egor will be clean again, and the indiscriminate dumping of refuse will be abolished.
Egor Local Government Environmental Task Force Chairman, Honorable Samuyime Idahosa, Contact say,
we want to talk to the landlord and landladies and occupier, tenants, everybody. Please keep Egor clean. Register with our accredited waste manager. The landlord should advise his tenants not to carry their waste from their residence to the public road, to any vacant land, to the drainage, to the water stump. Please maintain Egor. We are out there. If you are caught in all those things, we will take you to mobile court. You will come and pay your fine. Please, Egor local government people, join us to keep Egor clean.
After the inauguration, they can carry waka go some places for Egor to do some check and clean up, and can also pack sand where they pack comot for gutter. And you go see say even when rain fall, the water get free flow sake of the gutters where they pack and clean. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor local government area, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.